Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's choose the wallpaper, and as you can see here, we've got 4 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from our own gallery, from live wallpapers, some Google Photos, but actually it is on your own gallery, or the wallpapers. So let me pick something from this album, and as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed photos, actually wallpapers from which we can choose. So in order to check the preview, just tap on the one you'd like to set, and if you are happy with your choice, just tap on the wallpaper in the left upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both, so just tap on it, and we've got the info that the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So let's check. Let's go back to the home page. It is visible right here, and let's check also the lock screen, and the same situation, it is visible on the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.